Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase forearm size. Start by measuring wrist and forearm circumference and recording training days. Establish clear strength and size targets, and choose exercises that allow progressive overload. Aim for 3 to 5 focused forearm sessions per week and monitor recovery, sleep, and protein intake. Small, consistent increases in volume and resistance drive long-term hypertrophy in forearms when paired with proper rest. Choose a mix of isolation and compound moves to target all forearm muscles. Perform wrist curls and reverse wrist curls with slow eccentric phases and full range to stimulate muscle fibers. Include hammer curls and farmer carries to load brachyradiales and improve grip under weight. Add plate pinches or thick bar holds to enhance static grip endurance. Rotate emphasis weekly to avoid plateaus and keep intensity progressive for continual gains. Structure workouts to balance frequency, intensity, and volume for steady gains. Alternate heavy low rep days focused on strength with higher rep sessions for hypertrophy and endurance. Track load increases and time under tension rather than chasing heavy numbers every session. Allow adequate recovery by managing overall wrist tax and ensuring quality sleep and protein intake. Small, consistent progression and smart recovery create reliable forearm size improvements without injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.